Precious the Bobcat is 21 years old and she's lived at Big Cat Rescue for most of her life. Last year we had to trim her nails because as she's gotten older she can no longer sharpen them by climbing the trees that she used to climb. This time when we had to fix her nails, we decided to go ahead and sedate her and see how she was doing as far as her kidney values, and what we discovered in the x-rays was that she had a couple of really bad teeth. So the molars were extracted to make it easier for her to eat, and her nails were trimmed back by Dr. Wynn. But after she woke up from the sedation, we noticed that she was having a hard time getting around, and when we had the vet look at her again, it looked like she had had a stroke. She's also suffering from hypertension, which is causing blindness. So she's been in the cat hospital recovering for the last couple of weeks. We're treating her for the hypertension, and we're also giving her some time to recover from the stroke. But she just wasn't getting better quickly enough, and we felt like it was because of the small cage space that we have to keep her in inside. So Jamie, Veronica, and Gail have been working together to get her into a harness and take her out into the grass where she has a little bit better traction to see if we can help her with her mobility. This is day 1 and day 2 that you're going to be seeing here, and it's amazing in just 3 or 4 walks outside how much she has improved.
What you want? There was a stick here somewhere. Oh, hey, well, at least it's in something we can like just collect up. And she's standing up to do it, so.
We're in the stream like you should if you're a bobcat.
This is true. Only the first bobcat to actually like manage to pee in a totally in the water bowl. She's like a tiger. She pees for like hours. If you could push it under, I could probably grab it with the tongs. I just need to get her foot. Inner water bowl. Run her up, down, just get her paw up. Under her. Almost got it. It's gonna be way too big, but it's on.
For my next magic act, I'm going to make the bobcat disappear.
See if I can get her up. Might be easier once you get her out and get the blanket under her. I wanted something to kind of grab her with, so I didn't have to have it with my hands. Here, you want to hand me the thing? I'll hold her up while you get the blanket underneath her. Yep. It's the hardest is sliding off of her. Do we want to tighten up that harness?
We're not going to be able to with it on her. She's just going to bite. And you have to get to the loops in her chest. If you just grab the tongs or something and pull it back up.
Might be easier to loop the thing so that it comes out on this end, so that you have it, you know what I mean, as a double.
It's pretty slippery too.
Here.
It's just too loose. It's actually prohibiting her.
You want to put the towel over her head and kind of hold her, and then you can tighten up the.
Why don't we get an e-collar to put on her so that we can hold her so she can't turn and bite us.
She can smell you. She can smell the fear.
Looking at her eye.
Watch yourself. Don't just grab her.
What do I
She
do?
can turn around and bite.
Let me scrub her.
Where are the tongs at?
Right here.
Let me just put this in front, and maybe she might not try to go forward if she
You
feels
can't even
something.
tell what's going on here. Alright, stay.
Carry her in the.
Yeah, we can just carry her in the rug. I'll support her back end if you can get her front end to rest.
Yeah, can I have that other glove? I'll happily carry the front end, but I want another glove. Ooh, your hands are all sweaty.
It's hot as hell in here.
It is.
That was quite a workout.
Alright, here we go, baby. Touch the grass. Feel the grass under your feet.
she putting her arms out by herself?
She's walking. I'm holding her up. She's just making the motion of walking. And that's what you have to do is you have to let them make the motion, gradually give them more and more their own weight. You're just walking in circles right now, huh?
Trying to get those ankles. I'm gonna fight them.
What the hell?
You catching a cold?
It's the hay. And Hurley was the same way. Couldn't fix his back legs at all. You had to kind of hold him up in position. And then walk him 4 times a day. Physical therapy. We're not going to be able to do all that with her.
Yeah, the more mobile she gets, the harder it's gonna get.
Well, and he had to have like the actual like stretches and all of that. We're definitely not going to be able to do.
What if we put an e-collar on her before we did it?
Yeah, but it's just like how much is it going to stress her out?
Yeah. She seems to want to move around more though when she gets a little pissed.
Yeah.
Do you want to grab this or can we get the board?
Yep, I got it.
She's not really overly heavy. She's just more bulky than heavy. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, so angry. Do you want to walk in your cage? You're so mad. Yeah, you use that to help pick her up. Come on, go that way. Come on. Come on. Here you go. Good girl. Go if you get up and walk on your own. Might not let us put this thing back on.
She might be like, no.
I don't think so. I'm through playing with you girls. Bitey time.
She says, I hear doors getting unclipped.
Sure. Ooh, she's hissing at me. You pay attention up here. You pay attention to the towel up here, not what's going on back there. Yeah. You pay attention up here, not what's going on back there. You're okay. You're okay. I know. Oh, little baby lizard. Put this around her knee. Just gonna try to sling it
Ooh, we are walking. This is much better than yesterday.
Yeah. So that's on her own.
If
Right
you could
there.
just get that one foot to flip. Oh, there you go. You almost did it.
Would it help to prod it with the operant stick?
She doesn't know it's there.
That's what I mean. If there's some part of her that she feels, would she feel it on the stick to move it away from the stick?
Oh, she would. She's putting it down now. Maybe just took her a minute to.
Who else did we have that went in circles? Was it Maya?
I thought it was her brother.
Huh?
Her brother, didn't he have that stroke and he was running around in circles for a long time? Pretender?
I don't think he was doing circles, was he?
Is Pretender her brother?
Yeah.
That could explain why both of them have this neurological thing. I didn't realize they were brother and sister.
I don't know it for sure, but they came at the same time from the same place and they were the same age.
It would make sense, yeah. Precious.
She's standing on her own right now. She's getting to it.
Do you want to clean her cage out real quick so that when she goes in, she can go straight to it?
Doing a lot more walking than even this morning.
I couldn't hear you.
She's doing a lot more walking than even this morning.
Wow. Will you come toward a voice or away from it? Will you come get me? Come get me, precious. Come get me. Oh yeah, that's a good girl. Whoops. You missed.
I'm mostly just steering her right now. She's walking.
It's like, walk me back into the air conditioning, please. Oh, you're doing so good. So is Jamie.
This is killer on your back.
I can't even imagine how hard that is to hold the weight evenly.
Let her bug you.
Thanks.
It'll make her feel better.
Hey. There's your treat. You get to fight Mom.
You gonna let lay down? Okay. Look at you.
Wow. Got up on your own.
As soon as you can walk around, you can go back out to your cage.
Okay, Chase Gale into the hospital now.
so tired so quick. Is her cage all ready? Yep. Let's do circles back to the hospital. Come on, Missy Boo. This way. Come on, precious. Let's get ready for dinner. Come on. Come on, precious. Gotta come on in and get ready for dinner. Go in there.
I don't want to go back in there. You're gonna have to do the circles, Jamie, like you did before. She's like, I'll go, but in the roundabout way.
Ready?
Day 3 of Precious's rehab. What you doing?
Making a small yard for Precious to come out and get some outdoor time.
I like it.
It's not as much grass as I wanted. I don't want that much grass, but that's all kind of sunny. It's gotten more shady since I came out here, though.
Yeah, I wonder if you're only going to do it a certain time of day, you might be able to have your cake and eat it too. Although I'm not too sure about her getting into that palmetto.
No, down, like cutting off the end of the cage down there.
Oh,
But there's that fork.
all the way down.
Yeah.
I need power steering. Probably should take those with us. Probably your gloves too. Alright. She's like, hey, what's going on here? Oops. Ready? Sideways? Yeah, I'm not gonna get sideways.
It's because everybody on Facebook was saying, she needs pink, she's a girl. And she's beautiful. She's so beautiful in her pink.
Give us as much of an opening as I could.
There's just no good way around this palmetto.
Do you want to reset? You want to
Yeah.
sit down and?
I got it for one thing.
Yeah, this cage
Um,
plus
we,
the Bobcat's heavy.
we could probably push past right here.
This one just has more room without brushing up against everything.
Just got tighter foot movement.
Have a bear cat pick your pockets.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, I like to lift higher because I don't like it caged on my knees.
going first. Can you grab that extra and stick it up here?
It's not like out here in the face.
Remember? She's standing on her own right now.
That's pretty exciting.
No, you don't want to go to the left anymore.
Gail, can you shut the gate? Are you just gonna step over it, Jamie?
Or just open it.
Is she standing on her own? Or are you holding it?
That's her standing on her. She's kind of in a bad position right now. She can, now she is. That's all her.
You want to get her water bowl out, just set it on the ground in here?
Well, yeah, or we can just fill it. I brought that one.
Oh, that's right.
I don't know if she'll tip it though.
I'll be real curious to see if she tries to do any walking on her own.
If we feel first up, though, we can just leave it out here for when she comes out.
You have to do like a chalk outline around her wherever you leave her and see if she moves from it.
I can let her go right now. On your own. Sorry. You're doing it. And she let him like stretch it and retract it a bunch of times. So after we bring her in today, Liz asked if we could try to get some wood from her. But she was pretty tight, that's why she let him do movement. Huh?
Justin coming in to do that, or you?
What will she be able to tell from the blood?
I don't know if it'll tell her for her blood pressure medicine something or what she's taking. Maybe the calcium deficiency. Doing good.
push that down. How long are you guys going to leave her out?
I was gonna do like an hour. I think I'll just stay with her because I want to see what.
This is such wonderful improvement in just 3 days of doing these physical therapy sessions with her twice a day. I'm really hoping that she will be able to regain her full mobility and her vision, and that she will still have a few more years with us.